Previously, I've shown you how to install an NVIDIA graphics driver, which in itself is really simple and straightforward. Today, however, I'll be showing you how to uninstall such NVIDIA graphics drivers. Uninstalling is actually even faster and easier than the installation, but there are a few things we need to keep in mind. As many of you know, when uninstalling drivers or programs in general, more often than not, there are leftover files, which in some instances can cause lower performance, and in a worst-case scenario can even lead to crashes, hangs, and so on, especially if you move from NVIDIA to AMD graphics cards and vice versa. So it is important to not leave behind any files related to any graphics drivers. We need to keep our installation as clean as possible. The built-in uninstallers currently do not do a good enough job. Of course, it needs to be said, there are quite a few different ways on how to uninstall. The method I'm going to show you is the one many of us PC enthusiasts like to use. I'll soon also upload a video on how to do the same thing with AMD graphics drivers. For all those that just got into PCs recently, therefore haven't got that much experience yet, why do we actually uninstall graphics drivers in the first place? One of the main reasons often is we've got ourselves a better graphics card and now want to install the new model into our system. It is recommended to first get rid of the drivers of your old graphics card. Another reason could be problems. Maybe you're experiencing crashes, hangs, bugs, glitches, and the likes. Often a new fresh driver installation or an update to the latest driver version can fix issues like these. And before you install new drivers, the old ones obviously need to go. Alright, but enough talking. Many PC enthusiasts go for this free tool going by the name of Display Driver Uninstaller, or DDU for short. This tool does an excellent job. It not only uninstalls the driver, but also gets rid of all those leftover files spread all across the Windows operating system that normally get left behind. This therefore also saves us quite a bit of time and hassle. You can download this tool for free. The link I've put into the video description for you. Keep in mind to only download this tool from reputable websites. I personally either get it from Guru3D or from WagNerdSoft, the latter being the site of the tool's developer. It's best to always download the latest version of DDU, then extract the downloaded file and run it, preferably as the administrator. Then you're being told about the risks involved. Things, after all, can sometimes go wrong with technology. Just click on OK, which brings up the next window. These are the general settings on what the Display Driver Uninstaller does. We could go for some custom settings here, such as additionally remove those NVIDIA and AMD driver folders. I personally wouldn't do it, just in case I still want to quickly access those, but no one says you shouldn't do it. It's not a big deal since you can download the new drivers and extract those anyway, so it's up to you really. But I'll leave all those settings untouched. And then we get yet another window, letting us know we're not in safe mode. In most cases, we don't need it, so just be aware of that and click on OK to move on. On the right-hand side, you now select your device type, in our case a GPU, a graphics card. Obviously, make sure to select the right manufacturer. In today's case, it's NVIDIA. To the left, we now get three options we can choose from: uninstall or rather clean, followed by a restart, then the same thing but without the restart, and last but not least, clean and shut down. Option number 1 is recommended if you don't plan on installing a new graphics card into your PC, but instead just want to get rid of the driver in a clean way. You would then go ahead and install fresh drivers. That's what you'd normally do if you experienced some sort of graphics issues. You'd pick option number 2 if you plan to get rid of leftover files, not just by one graphics driver, but several ones by different manufacturers. In some cases, you may or may not run into some issues, which is why option 1 could end up being the better choice for that mission as well, even though it will consume a bit more time. The third and final option will automatically shut down your PC after it's done cleaning, getting rid of the driver. This is ideal if you plan to upgrade from one graphics card to another. Now, since I'm not swapping out any graphics cards today, instead just plan to install fresh new drivers, I'll go with option number 1. Then we just have to wait a little while. In the background, the driver is already being uninstalled, and even those leftover files, DDU takes care of those. In the end, there's the automatic restart. And now back on a desktop again, the NVIDIA graphics driver has now completely been removed. What needs to be done now is install new drivers or a different graphics card altogether, and then install drivers for that one. A PC without any graphics drivers is not very usable. Well, I hope this slightly too detailed video could help some of you out there. With that being said, thanks a lot for watching.